How long can pork chops stay in the fridge? Here are some basic guidelines for storing meat in the refrigerator. Raw ground meats, all poultry, seafood, and variety meats, refrigerate 1 to 2 days. Raw roasts, steaks, and chops, beef, veal, lamb, and pork, refrigerate 3 to 5 days. Cooked meat, poultry, and seafood, store in the refrigerator 3 to 4 days.